Welcome to another episode here in the channel. Here is Trader. We are going to be explaining what is happening in the markets right here, right now. We have been showing to every single video what we have been watching for the bottom of the Bitcoin price. Today we are watching crazy things happening in the market. Don't forget that you can trade only with your email from the link below from BitUnix. And of course, guys, if you are going to make an account from the OKX link under below, just send me a message on my Instagram that you can find also as well in the pinned comment section, and then I'm gonna send you 40 USDC. There's money for free. You can just go and do this thing. You can easily trade on the exact platforms that I'm actually trading as well. We go directly to the Fiat Grid Index to see what is happening right here. Crazy blowout 72 level right here. We are back in grid, guys. We are back in grid, and everything that we have been talking all this period of time, for once more, when we landed down in the level 10, we have been saying that this is a buying opportunity. Of course, nothing is a financial advice, but look at this, guys. Look what is happening right now. For once more, Fiat Grid Index, even though we have been creating lower lows on the price action of the Bitcoin, we see that we have a higher low bullish divergence, that they have been breaking out of this descending broadening wedge, and now we are going all the way towards the upside for the Bitcoin and crypto Fiat Grid Index. Excuse me, that this is a legendary trade that I have been taking seriously. I have been watching all this period of time, and that's why both my trades that I have been announcing, don't forget, guys, you have to go right here and follow on X crypto miner right here. So this is my personal link where you can find everything. You can run directly and go to the crypto miner. You can follow, and all the way down you can see very nicely what I have been posting, what I have been showing to people that I'm watching the bottom. I have been calling also the April that we are gonna go up. Okay, so everyone was so bearish. Right here you can see also BTC is ready to fly at 83,800, today at 93,800. This is a massive move we have been watching. 93,748. This is what we see right now. We have been calling down here. This is mental. This is mental. We have been showing all of these moves, and today we are here to prove why, yes, things are going good, but maybe we're gonna see another point of view very soon. Okay, so you have to stay level-headed. You have to always watch what is happening in the markets, and we have to see as well where is the next Bitcoin move. Okay, so we are watching, and many people are gonna talk about this crazy bull flag that is going up towards the upper side. What I want you to watch, we've been explaining the previous time, one of the most crazy indicators that I have been personally managing, trying to find for a really long time. It's something very simple that everyone can use, everyone can adjust, and this is a gift from me to you. That's why you should subscribe. You have to subscribe so we have more people coming in, watching this very nice free content. There is nothing we are taking advantage of. We just like, if you like and subscribe, of course, to the channel. So we are gonna be checking out what is the thing right here. Okay, the thing that we are proving is the 180 moving average. Yes, you've heard correct, on the 2-day chart. And this is our leading indicator for now, since we are watching the best buying signals when we have a touch and a price reversal over the moving average. This most likely is gonna work for the good. And yes, it worked for once freaking more time. If this is gonna break, then we are gonna see another point of view. If this is going to break, then we go most likely for a bear market move. Yes, you've heard correct. Okay, so this is something that you should watch. You have to be cautious because things are changing from day to day. And what we have to see as well is that on the 5-day chart, if you're gonna open the Gaussian channel, This is something you should be checking very, very good. If this price action is gonna go to the upper side, then we see for once more what is happening back here. We have to close in 2 days and 17 hours over this Gaussian channel. Okay, so this is the crazy fact that is working in most cases. Now we see the upper band right here. The upper band is broken. That's good. That's good. We have to see further price action towards the upper side. So 92 was a very difficult level. Now we broke it, but we have to hold at least 2 days and 17 hours left for this thing to actually close. Okay, so this thing has to close in approximately 2-3 days from now. You have to be cautious right here, because if this is going to reverse, then things are not gonna look great. Most likely we are gonna dive all the way towards the downside. This is not gonna be good, because we are talking about bear market issues right there. The good thing though, the good thing is that on the market cipher, we have very nice green, fat, juicy dot going towards the upper side. Breakout right here. We called this 3 weeks ago, 3 or 4 weeks ago. We called this thing that is gonna come a green dot. Breakout on the insane freaking level of the weekly chart. Now, what is the next level to watch? The bearish freaking divergence that we have on the long term. And this is going all the way up to the level 73 approximately. So we have to check out at the 70 level, 73 level, that the fear and greed index is not reaching to the grid. If it's going to reach to the grid to approximately 90 to 94 level, then we will have huge issues. And if this is going to come earlier, we should also worry as well, because before that we are going to be having very nice touch to most likely 108. So we don't want to see a double top confirmation. We don't want to see that. If this is going to happen, then we have serious issues. By the way, the Fibonacci levels right here, what we are watching is that yes, the buy zone has been working for once more, but I don't see anything further than 132,000 level. Yes, I have been talking this since like 2 weeks ago. When everyone was bearish, we have been here in this channel saying that we are watching the 132,000 level for the Bitcoin price. Nobody was listening. Okay, nobody was listening. I feel really sorry. But if you have been listening, please comment in the section down below if you have been profitable out of this move. Of course, nothing is a financial advice. You have to do your own research before you are gonna put your hard working money inside the markets, because I can't take responsibility for others. I'm just here to provide what I see in the charts, and I cannot take any responsibility for what every individual is doing. Okay, I can't. I mean, it's crazy. Okay, so what we have to see right here is what the market is providing. The very good thing is the fact that we have very nice breakout over this resistance line that has been a torment for the Bitcoin price. Now we have the second resistance line that is right here in the bodies of the candles, and then we have to pass this level. If we're gonna pass this level, I think the sky is clear. The sky is clear, at least for the weekly chart. So we are gonna see further price action towards the upper side. By the way, this crazy level right here, this fair value gap that we can find, the approximately 102,000 to 103,700. This is also a challenging level that I would take definitely some profits, definitely, especially from my open trades right now on Bitcoin and Ethereum that I do on Bitunix. On Bitunix, you can trade with the lowest fees, by the way, as far as I can see from other exchanges, with the best liquidity by far, just trading with your email. So that's a good thing. You can just create an account below so you can get the lowest fees, and of course trade very good without any issues like I do. I see the best traders are moving right there, so that's a good thing. Now we have a very nice breakout. We have to see further price action towards the upper side. Since things are moving pretty fast, We have seen the April, and then I want to see further price action. What's the upper side? We have to break these levels. We have to break 99,000. We have to reach the 102. After this, sky's clear. If we're gonna break out over the 106,000 level, guys, I believe that we are gonna move really fast, really fast. You will not. You will be. Will start accelerating massively, massively. Okay, so this is something that I'm watching so good right now. Now this is the trade that I have been showing back in here. You can see also my posts that I have done for regarding the Ethereum chart. We have seen the bottom right here, the top right here, and then for once more the bottom level. So we see the trade. We see the trade. This is the trade. This is the trade. The 2,400 level is a very nice level. By the way, do we see any crazy resistance right now? Not that much, but we have to see further reversal for the momentum towards the upper side, because this is not enough. This is not enough for the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we've seen that Williams are already start reaching to the highest points right here. We could easily have a reversal, so I wouldn't be surprised if you are gonna come back. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, so this is something that I'm watching right now for the Ethereum price. But the thing is, many people say, what is going to happen regarding the altcoin season? That's a major concern for everyone, because everyone is wondering how we could see further price action towards the upper side for the rest of the altcoins. But the leading indicator is Ethereum. If BTC is gonna break out the all-time highs, then this is the only way I believe Ethereum is gonna run like crazy, especially basically if we are gonna break out the 102. And if we are gonna establish in real 3 more days over the 92, 93,000 for the Bitcoin, and people start realizing, then Ethereum is gonna run as hell. I believe so. Okay, so of course this is something that I believe. This is something that I see in the markets, and I believe we're gonna have a massive breakout. The crazy thing, the fact that we have seen even Ethereum reaching the 1,800, then I tell you, it's the most undervalued asset. That's why I'm buying most likely Ethereum. Something that this has been paying off right now. This has been paying off. Okay, this is paying. This is paying good. So what is the thing? What is the thing? We broke out from this resistance line that we had right here, and those are the two things that I have been showing to everyone. Okay, those are the 5 steps, not Elliott waves, but 5 steps, I would say, that Ethereum have seen the last time, with the 6th step going all the way towards the upper side. And I think we're going to see similar price action. I think we're going to see similar price action. If everything is going to work right, then we are going to see further price action towards the upper side. Okay, and we start watching as well on the ETF side that everyone is accumulating in the 22nd of April. 912 millions have been accumulating from the ETFs for the Bitcoin. By the way, we have a 38.8 million price buy for the Fidelity Ethereum ETFs, Bitwise, that have been glory. Okay, we have seen very nice pump is in April, and we have to admit it. Okay, so we're right. We're right. That's good. That's good, because people that have been listening to all of these things right here, okay, to all of these things, then I believe they have done very nice work, because I have been posting the 17th of April that we will see further price action. What's the upper side? So I like it. 3,200 people have seen this. That's fine. That's fine. BTC is ready to fly at 83,000. That's fine. Okay. And if you go all the way down right here, the thing that I said, it was that GM Legends, I have said many times, BTC either goes up from 80,600, or it has to visit fast the area of 69,000 and 74,000. We reached 74,600, 400. So we can see a new all-time high. So it's crazy, because this was 6th of April. Okay, this was 6th of April. So this guys is It's crazy. I expect lower accumulation phase begins at 14 level. So this is crazy. For once more, we have been accumulating down there. A very nice thing as well is the fact that I have been posting this. Okay, I think we're gonna see in April. We have seen the April, guys. The April is here. April is here. We made it. We made it for once more. So yeah, this is glory. This is amazing. Okay, we made it. So today we're gonna have also a live with MetaDudes, and this is gonna be actually a very nice conversation. We are gonna speak with MetaDudes today in Greek. But thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And don't forget that you have to be here and subscribe, because this is the only thing we're asking for. This is the only thing we're asking for. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for once more. I hope you had a very nice Easter. I hope I'm gonna see many of you in the token 2049 in Dubai very soon. And don't forget that we will be also in the Alpha Traders program for the OKX at the 29th. So I'm gonna be speaking, I'm gonna be teaching some very nice skills right there. I'm gonna see you in the W, in the Palm, in Dubai for the OKX program, and of course a token 2049. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one of our Gears Trader. Bye bye.